Hi everyone, DJ's Aviation. Welcome back to another 1:400 scale model aircraft unboxing. Just before I begin, I'd like to say a welcome to everyone that's new to the channel. This is a different sort of video that you probably haven't seen of mine. Previously, I did do a lot of model unboxings, and I have gained some more models after Christmas. And that's why I'm unboxing them today. I know some of you are probably not interested in this sort of stuff. You're more interested in the news aspect and the analyzing of airlines and aircraft. That's completely fine. This is also something else I enjoy doing. So yeah, feel free to click off the video if you're not interested in this, or stick around. It's really up to you. But sitting in front of us today is the Phoenix Boeing 7878 Oman Air. Registration is A40-SA. Something I just wanted to point out is down the bottom you can see it actually looks like A40-5A. However, on later inspection I could tell it was the O and S. However, it is kind of misleading when you look at it like that and quite difficult to interpret what the registration actually is. Now, you'll remember usually I go over the airline history if you've been watching my previous unboxings. We're not doing that today. We're just going to get straight onto the review and the box starting now. Another thing I should mention is the fantastic design on all Phoenix boxes. You'll see in another unboxing coming up of a Qantas 7879. Phoenix really go that extra mile when it comes to designing the box. Gemini Jets boxes are nice, but they certainly don't have that special touch that Phoenix applies. For this case with the Oman Air, they've essentially used the colours on the livery to be on the background of the box, and it does look really nice. So moving along, when we actually take a look at the sides of the box, on the first side, we have Oman Air and the Phoenix logo, and of course the registration. Moving along, the Phoenix logo and warning like contains all small parts, that sort of stuff. We then have the Heart of Aviation and their trademark phrases. Moving then along to the other side, Phoenix logo, digitalized image, and Boeing 787. Now on the back, we have limited edition. All Phoenix models have this on it. I mean, I'm not too sure why they do it, but it's just how it goes. I wasn't too sure what to expect from this model. Obviously, I love the Oman Air livery, which is one of the main reasons why I'd asked for this model. Obviously, the first thing I look at is the colors. That's always an important factor when it comes to the design of the model. You always kind of want to get the colors as close as you can to the real deal. I haven't had many experiences where the colors have been majorly off. The closest I have been is the Air Canada made by Phoenix, where instead of using a black for the new livery, they kind of used a dark blue color, and it really did kind of put off the feel of the model. Obviously, I didn't get rid of it. I'm still happy to have it on the airport, but there was nothing else I could do, so you just have to end up accepting it. This model, the colors actually seem bang on. Something Phoenix do on their boxes is actually darken the colors. So if you were to rewind back to the start of the video, you'd see the blue on the tail actually look like a deep, rich blue. However, here it looks like an aqua teal sort of thing. But again, it's really beautiful. If you're moving from the front to the back of the plane, the nose gear's done well. The Boeing 787's just under the cockpit windows. Oman Air, the writing for the airline is done beautifully. The engine decal perfectly placed as well. Moving along, we have that swish that is implemented in the Oman Air livery. That is done perfect, and if you look at the real image of this particular aircraft, they've almost got the swish perfectly matched up when it comes to the windows, the passenger windows, which I think is a really nice touch. Moving along, we have the Dreamliner symbol. You can't really see it, but it's underneath the curvature of the first wing that's closest to us. Again, we have the last exit door. I forgot to mention we have the overwing exit, which is actually, by the looks of it, just behind the flaps and things. And then the registration again, and that's where it's more clear. You can see it's A40-SA. The tail design is also really beautiful. They've got that particular design spot on as well. So that's going to conclude the model unboxing. I do hope you enjoyed the video, but before I finish, I'm just going to give my overall thoughts and opinions on the model. Obviously, I wasn't too sure when I saw the box like what it'd be like. I am really happy with the aircraft, the design. Phoenix have done a really good job, and they actually have been improving greatly, not only with their releases, but also their molds. I mean, a lot of people will ask me, do I have a particular favorite model on my airport? The answer is no, because when it comes to purchasing aircraft, I only get the ones I love. So, for instance, I won't go out and buy a Air Berlin A320. I'm just giving a random aircraft an airline, but I wouldn't go out and buy that for the sake of it, just because it'd fit in with my airport. I would actually need to really like that livery. So obviously, I really do enjoy this Oman Air livery. Obviously, I just want to say a big thanks to Mum and Dad for getting this model for me. It was originally meant for Christmas, and it was ordered, I believe, in October. However, the shop we ordered from, which we're no longer going to be going to, that's a whole rant for another day. But yeah, Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this model unboxing. There will be another one of another model shortly, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace.